Well, I've got some wild color combinations today. Went out and got some new canvases this weekend, and I'm working on the poster for the cabin, or not poster, but the art for the cabin, which is going to be kind of similar to this one. I think I've showed you guys before. Trying to replicate some mountains with taping off the tops and the bottoms to give it a more neat look. I think I'm going to do black borders, and it will be probably wider too because the canvas is going to be an 18 by 20. This is just a test. But I did get my 18 by 20s, and I'm going to start working on those hopefully this week because we plan on going to the cabin probably the 13th or the 14th of September so that we can stay in the deck. So if anybody's out there, we still have one weekend left in October that's not booked. We have a bunch of weekdays. Those will eventually get booked typically. But if you're looking to book the cabin, definitely go look up Rich Summit View. I recommend Houfy, HOUFY.com. If you guys, most of you that know me, we've talked about renting through VRBO. VRBO is a great way to find the cabin that you want. But if you can find the cabin name, you're better off to go directly to the owner to try to get a discount because you're not paying the extra booking fees. But here's some of our colors today. I've got like a blue background for the sky, kind of a beigey color for the middle because most of that's going to get washed out, and then a black for the bottom. This is going to be more of the bottom. I don't know. These colors, it might be really wacky. I was going for a little bit of a fall theme, but I think some of those are too bright. But maybe by the time they stripe, they'll look a little bit better. Going for a linear look today, so not slapping it over on a pour. Flip cup is what I'm trying to say. I'm just going to do an actual linear pour. You can see some of that silicone in the cup there producing those bubbles already. So we'll see what we get. I'm going to start in the middle here. Some of that silicone will pour off. And then, sorry about the camera work. Let's see if I can get some of this going here. Some of you Florida Gator fans will be happy. Blue and orange. Blah. All right, see a little bit of yellow coming. I'm going to get that towards the top. See if we can get just a little abstract sunny sky going here. All right, we'll keep the rest of that in case I need some spots filled in. Then we're going to use this for the bottom. Still has some silicone in it. It had a lot of black in it too, but I think it sunk to the bottom. So here's our bottom pour. I'm going to mix that in with some of this. And then back down. There's the black and yellow that I wanted. Going to go out and preview some homes today. Just got a buyer under contract in Fleming. That is super exciting. They've been looking for a little bit. So we're on to the next phase, inspections. So hopefully everything will come out well, and we'll be sitting on the 17th fairway saying congratulations very soon. So, all right. Gonna do a little tipping. See if we can get some of these bubbles to pop up. Get the torch going. See if we can pop some of the bubbles. And I'll show you the end result later. Bye.